The little big one has arrived. Micro mirrorless Yashica, I'm back. The smallest mirrorless ever invented. Portable and reliable, the micro mirrorless can go anywhere. With interchangeable optics that guarantee ease of use and image quality superior to most smartphones. No more interrupting your video and risking missing the best moment because of an incoming phone call. Lighter than a smartphone, compact and manageable. It fits anywhere. Today, we present the perfect solution for travelers, bloggers, and all photography enthusiasts. Yashica, I'm back. A micro mirrorless that fits in the palm of your hands. It's ideal for capturing close-ups without pixelating, as its micro telephoto lens provides incredible results. This means you can capture sharp and clear details, even in situations of long distances from the subject. From now on, your best travel companion is the micro mirrorless Yashica, I'm back. The small camera with great performance at a low cost. Micro mirrorless Yashica, I'm back. Give space to a big idea.